When you get to problem 3 of the of the module 4 homework assignment, you're going to be asked to calculate the correlation coefficient between these two sets of numbers in part C of the problem. So how do we calculate the correlation coefficient? Well, we want to open these numbers in StatCrunch. So I'm going to click on this little icon. I'm going to click on Open in StatCrunch. And it copies the information over for you right from the problem. So you see here we have height in inches down the first column, head circumference down the second column. Exactly what we see in the table. Now I'm not going to solve the actual homework problem. I'm going to instead solve the textbook problem that the homework problem is based on. And it's problem 27 here from the textbook, section 4.1. So if you click on StatCrunch, it's going to copy the data over into StatCrunch for you. It's going to look like this. See, it looks exactly like the homework problem. This isn't a bait and switch. This problem is exactly like the homework problem. So now that we have our data, all right, the first column is height in inches, the second column is head circumference. How do we calculate the correlation coefficient between these two sets of numbers? Well, we're going to click on Stat, go down to Summary Stats, and we're going to go click on Correlation. When you click on Correlation, it's important that you click on both. We need to be able to highlight both of these columns. So what you do is first you click the first column, height, and then while you hold Control on your keyboard, you click on the second column, which is head circumference. Now you want to have height first and then head circumference second. And now we can compute the correlation between these two sets of numbers, the correlation coefficient. So we click on Compute, and there it is. No muss, no fuss. The correlation between height in inches and head circumference in inches is 0.911072773. Now you follow these exact same steps to come up with the correlation between the two sets of numbers in problem 3 of the module 4 homework assignment.